about the instrumentation and control tool. If you remember last meeting, we discussed about proportional and integral control. And we did some simulation exercises on what a proportional plus integral control works. If you remember, when we first started on-off control, we found out that there is a possibility for the controller or for the final control element to cycle, isn't it? Right? So to prevent this cycling effect, which could damage the final control element, what did we do? We introduced proportional. But the proportional doesn't allow the set point, the control variable to reach a set point. And so we add another control called integral. This is actually part of PID control. But that's not our topic for today. We're introducing another topic called P and ID. So don't get confused between PID and P and ID. These two are different things. P and ID stands for, let me just show you the piping and instrumentation diagram. As control engineers, later on when you work in the field, you need to read diagrams involving piping and instrumentation. But first, let us try to understand why are symbols important in our everyday lives, aside from being an engineer. When you drive along the road, you see symbols, right?
Yes.
Usually, I see this symbol. What is this?
No U-turn.
No U-turn. Is it U or inverted U? You remember? Anyone?
Inverted.
Inverted?
No. No, inverted.
No.
Nobody pays attention when it's
No,
driving.
it's inverted. It's like
Inverted U, right? Okay. When you studied your AC/DC fundamentals, you saw these symbols as well.
Mhm.
What's this one?
Resistor.
And
Capacitor.
capacitor. So every field in engineering has their own sets of symbols. We have symbols for civil engineering. We have symbols for chemical. We have symbols for electronics and electrical. And even when you walk along the corridor, you see this symbol. How is this symbol? What does this symbol mean? Yeah, until now I don't know what the meaning of this actually.
That's true.
Okay, so we are surrounded by symbols everywhere. We have one of our colleagues here who has some experience on this particular topic because he's been working for oil and gas for quite a long time. Before we start the actual lesson, let us hear from this guy who can better share his experience being in the field. Magyaso, please.
Good morning, my colleague. As you all know, this is a new topic called piping and instrument diagram. What you can come up with, or what you can see in this diagram is how to locate the instruments locate in the field and how to reach them. Each instrument will be tagged with a special tag number, and that tag number actually will guide you to the area. That area could be reached using the PNID. It's as simple as a map. It works like a map. So in order to reach a destination or to reach something, you just look at the map and follow it. And the PNID is the same thing, but it will guide you through the plant or the factory you work for.
Thank you very much.